Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add stylish image into your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website. Let me log in. So after website name.com, just add /wp-admin. Then here we can go in the plugins. Now we can install a free Divi plugin. Just you can type Divi, and here you will find all the plugins related to Divi WordPress theme. So guys, here you can see this plugin has 5-star ratings. Just we can install this plugin and simply we can activate this plugin. And now you need to get the pro version of this plugin, Divi SuperMe Pro. So let me upload plugin file, upload and select the plugin file. Here you can see this is the plugin file, and after that make sure that your file is in zip format. Just upload the file and it will take just few seconds for the plugin installation. So now plugin is installed, just activate the plugin. Now let's go back to the pages, then we can view this page on the front side. Okay guys, here you can see on the top enable viewer builder. So just we can enable. You can also check other method. Here you can see edit with Divi. So these are all the sections that are made with the Divi builder. So now let's go back into the Divi builder and check. Okay, now let's scroll down and we can add a new section to add stylish image. So let's find plus icon to add new section. Alright, click here to add regular section. And then here we can select one column. Then search for, here you can see SuperMe tilt image. Just we can add this module, then select one of the image. And after that, now here you can see, so this is the stylish image. When we hover over on this image, then it shows some motion effects. Now scroll down and here you can see some tilt settings. So you can increase or decrease speed. For example, I can decrease speed, just I can add 1000 value. Then here you can see reverse option. After that, overlay, whatever you want to add. For example, if you want to add icon on the overlay, you can easily add that. So now here you can see icon is available. You can also add some text, for example, web design service. Then here we can also add some description text. Then if you want to show only on hover, just you can see option, you can enable that. Now let's go to design tab, then here you can see overlay option, just we can add overlay color. Then here we can decrease its brightness so that we can see image clearly. In this way you can easily add image. After that, these are alignment options, overlay text, customization, and here you can see these are some typography options for the overlay text. You can increase and decrease text size, as well as you can change the text color, alignment. Then also you can apply some spacing and animations. Then click on 3 dots and save it.